the PowerPoints for section 1.3, estimation. In this chapter section, we're going to look at using rounding to make estimations, approximate calculations by using compatible numbers, and make estimations based on information presented in graphs, maps, and photographs. Rounding to make estimates. In rounding, we consider the digit to the right of the digit being rounded. If that digit is a 5 or more, we round up. Otherwise, we round down. Rounding to make estimates. Example, estimate the total cost of the purchase. So we have the item, the cost of the item. Cereal is $4.29, milk is $2.41, bread is $1.89, lunch meat is $3.36, pickles are $2.37, and dishwashing liquid is $2.87. If we round each of these to the nearest 10 cents, then cereal is $4.30, milk is $2.40, bread is $1.90, lunch meat is $3.40, pickles is $2.40, and dishwashing liquid is $2.90. So the estimated total of this purchase would be $17.30. The actual cost of this purchase is $17.19. So by rounding to the nearest 10 cents, we actually overestimated. If you notice, rounding is to round first. We're rounding first in this estimation, not rounding last. So if you look at the column where we get the actual answer, 17.19, if we rounded that to the nearest 10 cents, we would get $17.20, which is not correct according to the book. So according to this book, when you round to the nearest 10 cents, you round each item to the nearest 10 cents and then sum the items. Using compatible numbers. Instead of working with the given numbers, substitute other numbers that are easier to work with. Example, instead of dividing 298 by 14, divide 300 by 15 to get 20. Another example, instead of multiplying 11 times 73, multiply 10 times 73 to get 730. Estimating graphical data. In this example, we have a pie chart. The U.S. population in 2050 is expected to be 419,854,000 people. Estimate the number of Hispanics in the U.S. in 2050. According to our chart, in 2050, we expect 50.1% to be white, 14.4% to be black, 8% to be Asian, and 24.4% to be Hispanic, with the remaining 3.1% being other. If the Hispanic population is 24.4% in 2050, then that's about 25% of the population. So we're using a compatible number, a number near 24.4. 25% of something is 1/4 of something. So we multiply 1/4 times what we estimate the population to be, 400 million people. So 1/4 of 400 million people is about 100 million people. So we estimate the number of Hispanics in the US in 2050 to be about 100 million. Here is another example of estimating graphical data. In this picture, we're looking at a bunch of M&Ms. Example, estimate the number of M&Ms that are visible in the photo. One way of estimating is to lay down a grid, count the number of items in one box of the grid, then multiply that number of items by the number of total boxes that you have. So we have a total number of boxes of 16 because we have a 4x4 grid. And inside of one of those boxes, there appears to be about 11 M&Ms. If we multiply 11 times 16, then we estimate there's about 176 M&Ms in this box.